I know English, but I don't know what to write. Have you ever opened an IELTS writing task to question and thought, I know English, but I don't know what to write? Don't worry about this. You are not alone. Many candidates go through this situation. In today's lesson, I will show you a simple step by step method to write a well structured IELTS essay. Welcome to day 9 and our IELTS 30 days challenge by Sarah and Boniface Inspirations. Let's get started. First of all, we will understand what is writing task 2 is. Writing task 2 is the most important writing task because it contributes twice as many marks as task 1. You should spend about 40 minutes writing at least 250 words. The examiner want to see clear idea, logical organization, good vocabulary, accurate grammar, and in today's lesson we will learn exactly how to do this. Second one is understand the question. Ask yourself three basic questions. What is the topic? What is the question asking? Do you agree or disagree? What should I do? Give your opinion and support it with reasons and example. Never start writing until you understand the question. Always plan before you write. Many students keep planning because they think it wastes time. Actually, it saves time. Spend about 5 minutes planning, write down your idea. Let's have a look. Example planning. Opinion. I mostly agree. Reason 1. Better public transport reduce traffic. For example, more people use buses and trains. Reason 2. Public transport is environment friendly. For example, less pollution and lower fuel consumption. Now you are ready to write after this specific planning. Now let's learn about essay structure. Band 7 essay usually has 4 paragraphs. Paragraph 1, which includes introduction, paraphrase the question, state your opinion. And in paragraph 2, first main idea, explain it, give an example. And in paragraph 2, second main idea, explain it, support it with another example. And paragraph 4 includes conclusion, summarize your opinion, don't introduce any new idea. Let's start learning how to write the introduction. Here is the sample introduction. Notice that I paraphrase the question instead of copying it. A high scoring essay does not just give opinion, it explains them. Now support your point. Always explain your ideas and support them with an example. Now let's learn How to conclude your essay. A good conclusion is short, clear, and simply restates your opinion. Here I am sharing few common mistakes that many candidates make. Number 1 is writing fewer than 250 words. Number 2 is copying the question. Number 3 is giving ideas without explaining them. Number 4 is writing one very long paragraph. And final one is using informal language. Avoid these mistakes and your score will improve. Here I am sharing some exams tips. If you follow these tips, you will not only improve your preparation but also result. Answer every part of question. Clearly state your opinion. Explain your ideas. Include examples. Write at least 250 words. Check your grammars and spelling. Now I am giving you a challenge. Write your own essay on this topic in 40 minutes. Then read it again and see where you can improve. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this lesson with anyone preparing for the IELTS exams. Thank you for joining me for day 9 of our IELTS 30-day challenge. I will see you in day 10 where we will begin preparing for IELTS speaking test, including part 1, 2, and 3. Happy learning and good luck with your IELTS preparation.